everyone. Today our topic is congestive heart failure. So, what is congestive heart failure? Congestive heart failure is a condition of heart. ये हमारे हार्ट की कंडीशन है when our heart is unable to pump sufficient amount of blood जिससे कि हमारे बॉडी की मेटाबॉलिक डिमांड फुलफिल हो सके, so as to fulfill the metabolic demand of our body. So let us discuss the classification of congestive heart failure. What is the classification of congestive heart failure? It is on the basis of amount of cardiac output and position of heart failure. So on the basis of amount of cardiac output, it is divided into two types: low cardiac output failure, high cardiac output failure. So the low cardiac output failure is more frequently seen as compared to that of high cardiac output failure. Low cardiac output failure ज़्यादा देखा जाता है as compared to that of high cardiac output failure. Now, what are the reasons of this type of cardiac output failure? It is myocardial fraction is the prominent reason for low cardiac output failure. के लिए prominent reason है myocardial fraction. While हमारे high cardiac output failure के लिए reason है hyperthyroidism, anemia, जिसकी वजह से हाई कार्डियक आउटपुट सीन होता है एंड दैट लीड्स टू हाई कार्डियक आउटपुट फेलियर. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोजीशन ऑफ हार्ट फेलियर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप: लेफ्ट साइड हार्ट फेलियर एंड राइट साइड हार्ट फेलियर. सो व्हाट हैपन इन द लेफ्ट साइड हार्ट फेलियर? लेफ्ट साइड हार्ट फेलियर इज व्हेन आवर लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल is unable or insufficient pumping is taking place in our left ventricle, जिसकी वजह से it leads to the accumulation of blood into our left ventricle, which leads to our left side heart failure. Our left ventricle fails to pump, fails to accept blood from our lungs. Now, what happen in our right side heart failure? In our right side heart failure, the insufficient pumping is taking place in the right ventricle, and accumulation of blood is taking place into our right ventricle, and due to which our right ventricle is unable to collect the blood from peripheral organ, which leads to right side heart failure, also called as peripherally generalized edema, because our right ventricle is unable to collect the blood from our peripheral organ. Now let us discuss the pathophysiology of congestive heart failure. So, pathophysiology of congestive heart failure. What happened in the pathophysiology of our congestive heart failure? Our sodium level falls. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि हमारी कार्डियक मेम्ब्रेन इज अ लिपोप्रोटीनियस मेम्ब्रेन इन नेचर. So sodium ions are in concentrated in extracellularly. So what happened in the CHF? The sodium level falls, due to which our sarcoplasmic reticulum is inactive, and due to the inactivation of our sarcoplasmic reticulum, there is low level of calcium ions. Now this low level of calcium ion leads to what? Weak myocardial systole. And this weak myocardial systole leads to ventricular distension, due to which the blood is accumulated into the ventricles, and our heart tries to pump this and expel this accumulated blood, and due to which our heart gets exhausted and fails to work, and a failure is caused. And this failure, which is due to the accumulation of blood into the heart, is known as congestive heart failure. So this was the pathophysiology of our congestive heart failure. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the classification of drugs used in congestive heart failure, and also the cardiotonic, which is one of the type of drug used in the congestive heart failure, an important topic about cardiac glycoside. So till then, subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video and press the bell icon for never missing an update.